Hi everybody, welcome back to Phase 2 of 305 West Torrey Pines Drive in Eldridge, Iowa. I'm Stephanie Kauzlarich with the Stephanie K Group at eXp Realty, and here we are. As you can see behind me, we are getting Phase 2 underway with Robert Ryan's home. It's starting to look fantastic. It gives you a really good sense of what this home is going to be like very soon. Some of the features that you're going to see are an amazing open floor plan on the main level. The white shaker cabinets are going to be accented with a gorgeous black island, white quartz countertops, and there's a brand new shade of gold going in for the hardware that's going to make it all come together. Upstairs with the bedrooms, you're going to find the master bath has a built-in Bluetooth speaker, and you're also going to have upstairs laundry. Downstairs in the basement will be finished with 9-foot ceilings. There's also a couple really exciting fun features that he's incorporating in this gorgeous home as well. It's going to be superb. We cannot wait to show it to you, and keep following us as we go through this project and get it to completion. See you soon.